Good evening. How are you doing? Bit of a posh one. This is a one-off video. It's a curry made by Mrs. H. Naan bread, butter chicken sauce with chicken, pieces of chicken. There's broccoli, believe it or not, in there, carrots, onion, chilli, garlic, boiled eggs, what else is there? Paprika, which I added, curry powder and salt and pepper to taste, and this is parsley just to garnish the balmati, I think I'm saying it right, balmati rice. So we've also got poppadoms and some mango chutney. Nothing to do with me, all this setup. Right, so we're going to try. This is the chicken, and we'll have a bit of rice to go with it. So here we go. Mouth's watering already. Oh, that's tender. Oh, right. How hot is it? Just right, actually. Bit of a kick. Bit of a mouthful of foreign bread. So how's your week been? Been doing alright, yeah, thanks. Mango chutney. Try it. Oh, very tangy, lovely. Don't normally have stuff like this, as you will well know. Oh, go on then. God, blimey. That's cooked to perfection, that. Right. That is nice. Good bite to that. Whoa. Bit more mango chutney. I haven't watched The Shining yet. I don't know if you've noticed the lighting. Where's my radio gone? A whole new setup. Well, for this. Just for this. You're going to see them roses tomorrow. Paul H. Filmed. Spoiler alert. Oh, this is nice. A young, do you know a piece of poppadom? Funny name that, poppadom. Hello, what are you wanting? I apologise in advance to any insulted Indians. Mind you, they talk like that in South Wales too. Talk like that down there now. Lovely. Somebody cutting the grass. You should be having a hot and spicy. Chill out. Yeah. It is hot, this. Very close, humidity wise. As you're able to see my forehead shining. Look at that, beautiful. Tell you what, we'll go the whole hog. We'll have a bit on there. A bit of rice on the plate and on the floor. bit of mango chutney. The top, there you go. And if we can, we will delicately place upon the palate of one's mouth. Have a chat for a minute. Can't do everything, can I? I had plans today which were quashed yet again. I mean, people everywhere. There was something I wanted to do in the Mental. And when I went, there was a... well, I could hear them before I could see them, like a bit of a crowd. So what I wanted to do, I couldn't do with other people there. So I'll do that again. Just a little idea I had. Been meaning to do it a while, but listen to this. Do you mind? No, I feel quite guilty here. Somebody's out there working and I'm in here eating. It's it's forecast. We're going to have a heat wave apparently. Whether it's true, I don't know. We'll see if it's our summer. Sunday dinner, belly pork, scored skin, olive oil, salt. I learnt the olive oil trick from Graham. Works a treat that. And the halogen, and roast potatoes, mashed potatoes tomorrow, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, am I having pea? I can't remember now. No, and gravy. Lovely. And this is posh, this, you know, posh nosh. It's like going down to the Indian. Not that I've been. Have we got one in there? Oh yeah, yeah. Got one in Denby. Two Chinese. 3 Chinese, really. Nearly forgot. There's also chestnut mushrooms in them. That is nice. Now, personally, when I heard of carrots and broccoli going in, I thought you need carrying off to the loony house. But fantastic taste. Bloody hell, really shocked. Very nice there. Very nice. And I put just enough curry powder, paprika. Give it. I like a kick, you see. I like a bit of a, which I'm getting. Not too much, but I'm getting it. Oh, lovely. So yeah. So you've had a good week, have you? I hope so. Been trying to catch up on videos. I've watched a couple. Sorted everything out on the other channel, so I've got to go onto this channel now and sort the comments, reply, and superb this. I recommend it. Chicken curry, naan bread, basmati, I can't remember, basmati rice or whatever you call it. Wow. Mango chutney and poppadoms. And one does mix well with the other. Are you hungry? What time is it? A lot of people watch this 1 AM and all this sort of stuff. Patricia and Ray across the pond there. But you're getting a bit cute, aren't you? No, I either feeds himself first or he's eating with me. So yeah. Must be next door doing the grass again, nearer. Hear it? Yeah. Oh, this is lovely. And the drink, of course, is Carling. Carling Black Label. It's not called Black Label now, but it used to be. Oh, talking about drinks and beer and lager. In the comments, Graham and I think a couple of other people were saying about different lagers you don't hear of now. Another one, which is, from what I gather, is available only in bottle form. And that is Wrexham Lager. I used to enjoy Wrexham Lager, and brewed in Wrexham obviously, and it's still going. I didn't know, I thought they packed, well the main place is packed in, but they're still going. Maybe a bit smaller now, I don't know, but they sell the bottled version. That's enough for that. I'll leave this settle a bit and then I'll come back to it. So that is it. Posh, hot and spicy curry. Chicken curry. Something new. Not had it before. It's only a one-off thing. This sort of posh setup is anyway. Very nice. Mango chutney. Would never have thought of putting that on a poppadom. It's got a sweetness to it and a tang to it, which complements it. Clever. Very good. Very impressed. Just watched Tracy Explorer, her latest video, visiting an abandoned school, and I said in the comment actually, it's funny when you look inside these abandoned buildings like the Mental, like the Pool Park and places, anywhere you go, any abandoned, no matter where it is in the country, everything's smashed, vandalised, pinched, you know, and spray painted, graffiti, and it looks like the same people go round to each, oh, it's an abandoned building, they all go then smash it up, spray paint. It's not the same, but when you look at inside each building, you could be anywhere, you know. It's all the same, they all look the same inside. It's a shame really. Why people smash the places up, I'll never know. You know, it's terrible really, because it'd be nice to leave it and let people, if it's going to be empty for a long time, just let people go and see it. You know, it'll degrade itself through time and neglect. But anyway, going on now. Yeah, good video, Tracy. Really enjoyed that, and I was lucky you didn't go there at night with the There's a few holes in the floor, and that swimming pool, what a fantastic find that was. But imagine going there at night and walking in there. Better thinking about. No, really good. So thanks for watching, and I'll finish this off in a minute slowly, and a few more of them. So have a good weekend, thanks for watching, and I'll see you probably in the next video, whenever that may be. Oh, tomorrow we'll do another greenhouse update. Not much different, so it'll be just a quick look, and so that I'll tell you all that tomorrow. Thanks for watching, have a great weekend, and I shall see you good people in the next video. This has been the hot and spicy posh curry.